Okay, you have now finished your box. You have your top and you have your lid. So now what we need to do is we need to separate the two so that we can edit the top of your lid. So the top of your lid is sitting against this part right here, so we need to delete the rest of this part up here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select this edge. Any one of these edges would work. I'm going to create a new sketch. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point, and that line is basically going to tell the next tool that I use what I want to delete. So I could either delete all the stuff on this side of the line or all the stuff on this side of the line. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. I'm going to go to my split tool here. I'm going to select this line. Now there's a couple different ones here. There's split face, there is trim solid, and there is split solid. I want to trim solid, so I'm going to click trim. Notice I have an arrow. I'm going to reverse it because I want to delete the back side here. I'm going to head ahead, hit apply, and now I'm left with just my lid. And now I can edit and create some cool designs on the top of my lid. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel here. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new sketch. I'm going to put a circle in here. Let's see here. I'm going to make that 2, I think. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude that down. I'm going to extrude it down 0.5. Enter. Okay. Now that doesn't look very good, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a fillet on my edge, and let's see what a 0.5 fillet does. Now I created a nice little bowl, so now I'm going to round or fillet the outside edge here. Okay. Go ahead and check. So now I have a cool little cutout there, and I'm going to fillet this edge too. But I don't want it. I want maybe 1.125. And now I need to save this as a separate file so that you will have 2 separate files. You will have your full part that has your lid and your base. Then you will have a separate file that is just your lid. So I'm going to go up here and go File, Save As, and I'm going to put lid at the end of this. And there you go. You now have 2 separate files and your box is complete.